All right, so we're gonna test the spark. Go ahead. It's working. We got it. All right, stop. So now, time to put it together. Let's get it. Start it up. We in there. All right, first start up after fixing everything and making sure it sparks and everything. So, dale. First start up. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys my secret of fixing the no spark. So if you ever get no spark, if you're confused with what's going on, check all your grounds. Check all your grounds. You have a lot of grounds that you took off